Hi viewers, welcome to today's session. This is Malanagowda, Assistant Master at MG Online Classes. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.
Welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed the product, that is how to multiply a monomial by a monomial, monomial by a polynomial, that is binomial, and binomial by another binomial. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.3. Here we have first question. Complete the following table of products of two monomials. Okay, then we have to complete this one, that is 3x. Here is also 3x. Then you multiply 3 3 is 9, x into x, x square. Okay, then next second one, 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18. Then x into y is xy. Okay, next 3 into 4, 12, x into x square, that is x power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Then 3 into minus 8, that is minus 24, x into x, x square, you write y as it is. Next 3 nines are 27, x into x square is x power 3 into y. Next 3 into minus 11, that is minus 33, x into x cube, that is x power 4, y power 2 as it is. Okay, in the same manner you multiply the remaining. Minus 6 into 3, that is minus 18, y into x is nothing but yx. So we can also write that one as xy, both are same. Then minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36, y into y, y square. Next minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. Then x into y into x square is x square y. Next minus into minus plus 6 8 are 48, x into y, that is x, y square. Then minus 9 6 are 54, x square, y square. Next minus 6 into minus 11, that is plus 66, y into, that is x power 3, y power 3. Okay, in this manner you solve the remaining. Okay, come to second question, that is find the products. In that first one, 5x plus 8 into 3x. Then how will you do this one? That is, it is a binomial and it is a monomial. So we can write this one as, first I will write this one, 3x into 5x plus 8. Both are same, okay? Then first you multiply this 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15. Then x into x, x square, plus now 3 into 8, 24. So you write x as it is. This is the product of 5x plus 8 and 3x. Okay, this is the solution, that is 15x square plus 25x. So next, in the second one, minus 3p cube into minus 15 p power 3 q power 2 minus q power 3. That is, first you multiply, this is minus 3p cube into minus 15 p power 3 q power 2 minus q power 3. Here this one is minus, it is also minus, and we know that minus into minus is nothing but plus. Then 3 into 15, 3 into 15 is 45. Then here p power 3, p into p power 3. So we can write here p means p power 1, here p power 3. So we can write p power 1 plus 3. P power 1 plus 3 is nothing but p power 4. And q into q power 2. Here q means q power 1, here q power 2. So q power 1 plus 2. So we can write that one as q power 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. then minus into minus, again plus. Here 3 into here, coefficient is nothing, means 1. Okay, that is 3 ones are 3. Here p you write as it is. Next, q power 1, q power 3. So we can write that one as q power 1 plus 3 means q power 4. This is the product of minus 3pq and minus 15p power 3 q power 2 minus q power 3. Okay. Okay, then next third question, simplify the following. Here first one, 2xy minus xy into 3xy minus 5. Here it is a product of two binomials, because this is a binomial and this one is also a binomial. In the last video we have discussed how to multiply the binomials. Is it correct? So write that one, 2xy minus xy into 3xy minus 5. So we can write 2xy into, see first this term into product of these, 3xy minus 5. Next minus xy into 3xy minus 5. Okay. Then you multiply the numerical coefficient, 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. Okay, next, here it is positive and this one is negative, so plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10. Here there is no variable, that's why you write this one as it is, x y. Next, here this one is positive, this is negative, so minus into plus is minus. Here numerical coefficient is obviously 1, so 1 3s are 3, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. Next, here this one is negative, this is also negative, so minus into minus plus, and this one is 5 into xy. And observe in this one, if there are any like terms, and we know that if there are any like terms means we can add or subtract. Okay, that is here 6x square y square, here minus 3x square y square. Those are two like terms. In the same manner, this is minus 10xy, this is plus 5xy. Those two are like terms. Okay, so we can add or subtract the like terms. Here this is 6x power 2 y power 2. This one is minus 3x power 2 y power 2. This one is plus, this is minus, so we can subtract 6 minus 3, or otherwise you write those two are one side, 6x square y square minus 3x square y square, and these two one side, minus 10xy plus 5xy. Okay, then here 6 minus 3 into x square y square, because x square y square is common, so 6 minus 3 and plus 10 here, sorry, minus 10 plus 5 into xy. Okay, then we can write 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3 x square y square. This one is plus, sorry, minus 10 plus 5, that is minus 5 xy. This is the required solution. Okay. So next, in that one, fourth one, 2m power 3 plus 3m into 5m minus 1. This is also product of two binomials. Then how we can write this one? That is 2 power m, sorry, 2 into m power 3 into 5m minus 1 plus 3m into 5m minus 1. Okay, that is here 2 5s are 10, m power 3 into m, so m power 4 minus 2 into 1 is nothing but 2, m power 3 plus 3 5s are 15, m into m square, plus into minus minus, 3 1s are 3 into m as it is. Then observe there are any like terms, here m power 4, m power 3, m power 2, m, so that's why there are no terms, so this is the required solution. Okay, see, up to now we have discussed so many products, that is monomial by a monomial, monomial by a monomial by a binomial, and binomial by a binomial. Now I will discuss some special type. That is, what do you mean by special? See, in general, I will take x plus a and x plus b. Why I call this one is a special? See, first you multiply this one, what happens there? So we can write this one as x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. Okay. Then this is x into x is x square. Then x into b is xb plus a into x is ax plus a into b is ab. So we can write this one as x square, and in these two terms there is a common x. So we can write a plus b into x plus ab, because here x is common, or here xb and ax are like terms. See, this you call equation 1. That is, the product of x plus a and x plus b can be written as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In case I will give different values for the a and b. See, for example, I will take a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Then what happens? So this will become x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 2 into x plus 3, because in the place of a we have taken 2 and in the place of b we have taken 3. Then what happens? See, by using this equation directly we can write the solution x power 2 plus, in the place of a 2, in the place of b 3, and x as it is, in the place of a 2 into, in the place of b 3. So we can write this one as x square plus 2 plus 3 is 5 into x plus 2 3s are 6. This is the solution. See, directly we can get the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3 instead of multiplying all those. Directly we can write in a single step. That's why this is called a special product. Then you may ask one question, is this one only the special product? No, there are so many special products are there. In that one, this is one. Then what are the different special cases? See, I will write those which are second one. A, see, you write this is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the product. So what is a plus b whole square? So we can write this one as a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then fourth one, x plus a, and you take a plus b and a minus b. That we can write as a square minus b square. Okay, these are the special product, and we call these are all identities. These special products are called identities. Then how we can define a identity? It means an identity is a equality in which, it means identity is a equality which is true for every value of the variable. Every value of the variable. Whatever the values of, you take here a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is obviously true. In the same manner, a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, as well as a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. You substitute the values a and b, you will get that is LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. And with the help of these identities, in the next video we are going to solve exercise 2.4. Okay. Thank you.